Looking for the ultimate gaming experience? The best HP laptop for gaming delivers stunning graphics and lightning-fast performance. With advanced cooling, immersive displays, and powerful processors, it's designed for serious gamers who demand nothing but the best. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. HP Laptop for Gaming. The HP laptop for gaming is designed for gamers who demand high performance, speed, and storage without compromise. Equipped with 32GB high bandwidth RAM, it allows users to run multiple applications and browser tabs simultaneously, ensuring smooth multitasking and uninterrupted gameplay. Its 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive guarantees fast boot times and lightning-fast data transfers, making it an excellent choice for both gaming and productivity. The laptop is powered by an Intel Core i5-12450H processor featuring 8 cores, 12 threads, and up to 4.4 GHz turbo frequency, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU with 4GB GDDR6, offering high-quality graphics, realistic visuals, and smooth frame rates for modern AAA games. The 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz display with anti-glare IPS technology delivers crisp, vibrant visuals, minimizing motion blur and ghosting for competitive gaming. Connectivity options include HDMI 2.1, multiple USB Type-A and Type-C ports, RJ45, and a multi-format SD card reader, ensuring compatibility with various peripherals and accessories. A backlit keyboard and precise touchpad enhance user comfort, while Wi-Fi 6 and Windows 11 Home provide seamless connectivity and an intuitive operating system experience. Whether streaming, gaming, or working, this HP gaming laptop balances performance, storage, and visual quality, making it a versatile choice for gamers who seek speed, reliability, and immersive experiences in a sleek, portable package. Number 2. HP 15.6 Laptop for Gaming. The HP 15.6 laptop for gaming, part of the HP Victus series, is tailored for gamers seeking powerful performance and immersive visuals in a compact form factor. Its Intel Core i5-13420H 13th Gen processor combines 8 cores and 12 threads for high-speed computing, capable of handling modern games, multitasking, and creative applications efficiently. With 16GB DDR4 RAM, users can run multiple programs and browser tabs without lag, while the 512GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD ensures fast boot-ups, quick load times, and ample storage for games, media, and essential files. The laptop's NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU with 6GB GDDR6 memory delivers exceptional graphics, realistic textures, and smooth gameplay even in demanding titles, enhancing the overall gaming experience. The 15.6-inch FHD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate and anti-glare microedge design offers crisp visuals, wide viewing angles, and reduced motion blur, perfect for competitive and casual gamers alike. Windows 11 Home provides a sleek, modern interface, improved multitasking, and seamless compatibility with Android apps, while connectivity options, including USB Type-A, Type-C, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 6, make it easy to connect peripherals and networks. Lightweight and portable, this HP gaming laptop is not just a gaming machine, but a versatile device suitable for work, streaming, and media consumption. With its high refresh display, fast SSD, and powerful GPU, the HP 15.6 laptop for gaming ensures smooth performance, stunning visuals, and a truly immersive gaming experience for users who demand reliability and speed in every session. Number 3. HP 144Hz Laptop for Gaming. The HP 144Hz laptop for gaming combines speed, performance, and affordability for gamers who want smooth, high-quality gameplay. Its 16GB DDR5 RAM enables effortless multitasking, allowing users to run heavy applications, multiple browser tabs, and gaming software simultaneously without lag. Storage is handled by a 512GB PCIe M.2 SSD, providing rapid boot-up times and fast data transfer, ensuring minimal waiting for game loading or application launches. At the heart of the laptop is the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, boasting 6 cores, 12 threads, a 3.3 GHz base clock, and up to 4.55 GHz boost clock, delivering impressive processing power for gaming, creative work, and multitasking. Graphics performance is supported by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 GPU with 4GB GDDR6 memory, offering realistic visuals and smooth gameplay for most modern titles. The 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz anti-glare display ensures fluid motion and immersive visuals while reducing eye strain during extended gaming sessions. Connectivity is comprehensive, featuring USB Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI 2.1, RJ45, headphone/microphone combo, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, making it simple to connect gaming peripherals, monitors, and networks. Windows 11 Home provides a user-friendly interface with improved multitasking and compatibility with a variety of apps. Its backlit keyboard and responsive touchpad improve comfort and control during gameplay. The HP 144Hz laptop for gaming is a perfect combination of speed, graphics performance, and display quality, making it an excellent choice for gamers seeking a reliable, high-performance laptop that can handle both work and play. Number 4. HP Victus laptop for gaming. The HP Victus laptop for gaming is a powerhouse designed to deliver high-speed performance, immersive visuals, and premium connectivity for dedicated gamers. Its 144Hz FHD anti-glare display ensures smooth, crisp gameplay with reduced lag and ghosting, making it ideal for competitive and fast-paced games. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor with 6 cores, 12 threads, and a maximum boost clock of 4.55 GHz, paired with 4GB GDDR6 dedicated graphics, providing excellent processing power and realistic gaming visuals. Storage and memory options are impressive, offering up to 2TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD and 64GB DDR4 RAM, enabling lightning-fast data access, quick game loading, and superior multitasking capabilities. Audio performance is enhanced with HP dual speakers, HP Audio Boost, and B&O custom tuning, delivering rich and authentic sound for games and media. The HP Wide Vision HD camera, with an 88-degree field of view and AI background noise reduction, ensures high-quality video calls and streaming. Connectivity is further improved with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, allowing faster internet speeds and seamless connections to peripherals. Windows 11 Home provides an intuitive interface, better window management, and multi-monitor support. With its combination of high refresh rate display, powerful processor, dedicated GPU, and ample memory, the HP Victus laptop for gaming is perfect for gamers and creators who need a reliable, fast, and immersive device for both work and play. Number 5. SGN laptop for older people. While not a gaming-focused laptop, the SGN laptop for older people provides reliable performance for everyday tasks, study, and entertainment. Its 17-inch HD IPS display with 1920 by 1080 resolution delivers crisp visuals, making browsing, video calls, and streaming comfortable for extended use. The laptop is powered by an Intel Core i3-5000 and 5U processor with 2.4 GHz turbo boost, offering dual-core performance suitable for multitasking and basic productivity tasks. With 4GB RAM and 128GB SSD storage, the laptop ensures smooth performance for common applications, while its expansion support up to 1TB SSD provides flexibility for storage upgrades. The device includes a Type-C port, HDMI output for external monitors, dual USB 3.2 ports, a headphone jack, and a microSD slot, enhancing connectivity options. Its 8,000 mAh battery offers long-lasting power, making it ideal for seniors who need a dependable device for work, study, or leisure. Windows 11 Home provides a modern, easy-to-navigate interface with compatibility for Android apps, improved multitasking, and secure features. Lightweight and portable, the SGN laptop is designed for comfort, ease of use, and everyday productivity. While not intended for gaming, it excels as a practical, user-friendly device for seniors, students, and professionals who need a reliable, long-lasting laptop with adequate storage, performance, and visual clarity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.